Okay, David Sticky RX. So we're with Bob in his car. We're going to change out his failed reverse switch. These are the rubber versions. So I just put a little bit of masking tape here and here to protect the carbon fiber. We actually already pre-popped this before we started the video, but basically just use a thin pry tool, pop in here, and you can twist it and the unit will pop off. Okay, so it's just got spring clips holding it. So now what we do, so we've got one wiring harness we're going to deal with, and that's this bigger one. Yeah, so there's a tab right in here, a lock tab. So we'll grab another tool for that. And pop that tab up, and then you can pull the harness out. So now that we've got that out, we just need a Phillips screwdriver. We'll take these screws out here. If you drop one of these and lose it, don't worry. We include new screws with our switches. Just put those right there. Okay, very straightforward. So we'll pull these out. They got these little trims on them, so we'll just take them out of the trims, little bezels. So there's the old switches. You can see the rubber is all failed there. It's torn. Okay, it's actually popping off. Terrible design. So now we'll get our switches. Here's our new set. They come in with a protective cap on them. We'll pull those caps off. Okay, we got a reverse and auto. These are not rubber, hard, injection molded, coating that won't ever fail. We'll grab the switch bezel, fit it on there nicely. I'm going to put these screws in and leave them a little loose so I can adjust them to center the switch real nice. Should put that one in right away. Okay, so we got both switches in. We'll put the second screw in for each. Okay, now I'm just going to bring it up and look at everything and make sure it's centered nicely. Okay, looks good. Okay, so you want to actuate them, make sure everything's moving real well. So they're installed, no worries there. So now we'll reconnect the electrical connector. Okay, real simple. We'll peel off the tape. Tuck the harness in. Snap the trim, and there you go.